Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, just to have a little updated news on the update of Patch Tuesday. So until now, not really any problems other than the background noise, as I call it, which is always a very small percentage of people that have issues. The main complaint of a lot of people is how long it takes to install the last Patch Tuesday. I gotta say that it's a pretty big one, so it takes a long time on some older machines with standard hard drives. So be patient. This is probably the number one complaint of Dispatch Tuesday for a lot of people. On my machine, it installed quite fast. On my Windows 10 machine, it took maybe 10 or 15 minutes for the whole process. It was a little longer. A lot of people got scared yesterday because one of the major problems that happened is that when people went to YouTube and tried to see their menus, especially when they click, what happened is they found that there were things not working. And it kind of coincided with, of course, Patch Tuesday. So a lot of people started worrying that Patch Tuesday broke something. In reality, YouTube was actually having issues yesterday for a few hours. So there are a lot of weird things happening. I had to go to the YouTube studio. I had to actually go to the URL that brings me directly to the YouTube studio rather than click the menu on the upper right. Things like that. So it was kind of weird. And some of the things were kind of not really working well. So it was a YouTube problem. Somebody mentioned in the comments that he heard that someone had broken Edge and Chrome after the update. I don't see any people having that type of problem with this update right now. So if you do install the update, it seems to be pretty safe. It's just that it takes a long time to install. If, of course, any more problems or anything pops up and people complain, we'll talk about it overall. But seems to roll out well. Most of the things that people, I think, had as a problem might have been if they went to YouTube, some issues with YouTube, and they thought that maybe that update broke their browsers or something, because overall, like I said, background noise is the standard. There's always and will always be a small number of people that could have issues when updates install. And this is not unique to Windows. I've had some Linux distros that had tons of problems with updates. I've had and I've seen people complain of Apple updates on their Mac computers. It's a standard for everybody. There's a minimum of people that do have issues. Sometimes it could be hardware related. It could be because of something that people did. One of the biggest things that happens in Windows updates when it's very long to install is people shut the computer down in the middle of the update because they think that nothing's happening. And then it's all broken. Well, the problem is it was not the update. The problem is what you did. So this is something to think about. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.